The blur guard, what is it about? Stick around and you're going to find out. Hi guys, welcome back to another video with the Rusty Blades YouTube Barber. I purchased the blur guard. Now a lot of people have been talking about this and I'd seen it all over Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and I thought to myself, one guard that can eliminate potentially 3 guards, that being the 0, the 1 and the 1.5. I need to try this out for myself. So that's exactly what I did. I purchased this. I'm going to put it on some of my clippers. I'm going to put it on different types of blades. We'll have a look and this might even help you decide whether it's for you or not. So let's get on with it. Right, so we've had a look at this guard on some of the different clippers and some of the different blade types. Let's get into nitty gritty, let's have a look at it in action and I'll let you know my thoughts. So while I'm playing this, I will do a little bit of a voiceover and I will explain the way that I use this guard. Right, so these are the steps that I go through. As you can see already, that I've put the ball line in. It's not all the way down to the foils, it's just a 0. So this couldn't be any more straightforward. I've put the blur guard on, I've closed the lever all the way down, and we're just going to work into that ball line until you can hear it cut. We're going to work all the way around the head, and then once we've done that, we'll open it a click. And then we'll do the same step again, and we'll just keep performing the same step until we get to a fully open lever, which means that that should be a 1.5 guard, and essentially the fade should actually be completed. You will do a bit of touch work, it doesn't matter what you do, you're always going to do that anyway, but I'm just going to let you watch this now until the end, and then you can let me know what you think of this fade in the comments down below. So we're coming to the end of this using the blur guard. What do you actually think? I think it actually turned out quite well, considering that that is the only guard that I use there to do a fade. So now you've seen the guard in action, I have used it for a good few cuts and I'm pleasantly surprised on how much I like it. Is it worth $20? I'm not sure. I do think it's slightly overpriced, and I'd say around about $10 to $15 would be more appealing to other barbers. The actual feel of the guard, it's nice and firm, it's not cheap and flimsy. So my only real issue with this guard is that it doesn't sit well on blades. The teeth just don't seem to sit flush, and it'd just be interesting to see if it was sat on the clipper blade and it was flush to the top, how much better this would actually cut. The blur guard, it's definitely a keeper from me. I'm going to carry on using it. I may go off it and I may not, but only time will tell. Now you've seen it in action, you know my thoughts, I'd love to know what your thoughts are. So get down in comments, let me know if it's something that you'd be interested in or it's whether you're going to be purchasing it. If you are interested in this guard, I will leave it in a link down below in my description so you can go check that out. Thanks for watching, I'll catch you in the next one.